What is Tether, or USDT? Well, USDT is a cryptocurrency. It's kind of like a digital dollar. 1 USDT is supposed to be worth $1. Think of it as exchanging your dollar for a digital token. This token can then be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. USDT belongs to a group called Stablecoins. Their value is pegged to a stable asset. They try to avoid the big price swings seen in other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Now, why is this stability appealing? Because it offers a haven from the volatility of the crypto market. This makes USDT attractive to traders and investors. Let's talk about the good stuff. USDT offers several advantages. First, it's stable. This makes it useful for storing value. You don't have to worry as much about sudden price drops. Second, USDT transactions are generally faster than bank transfers. This is a big plus in the world of crypto. Third, USDT is widely accepted. Most major cryptocurrency exchanges trade it. This makes it easy to buy, sell, and use. Finally, USDT can be a good option for arbitrage trading. This involves taking advantage of price differences on different exchanges. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, the controversies. Despite its popularity, Tether has faced some criticism. One major concern is transparency. Critics question whether Tether has enough US dollar reserves. They are supposed to back each USDT issued. This lack of full transparency makes some people nervous. Another issue is Tether's centralized nature. Unlike decentralized cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Tether is controlled by a company. This gives them significant power over USDT. And let's not forget the regulatory scrutiny. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Tether's future will be influenced by these regulations. So, how do people actually use USDT? It's quite versatile actually. USDT, or Tether, is a type of stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for various financial activities. Many use it for trading other cryptocurrencies. By converting their assets into USDT, traders can avoid the volatility of other cryptocurrencies while still staying within the crypto ecosystem. It's like a bridge between volatile assets and a stable store of value. This stability allows traders to manage their portfolios more effectively, reducing the risk of sudden market swings. Traders can quickly move into USDT during market dips. This quick conversion can help them preserve their capital and wait for better market conditions before reinvesting. Others use it for remittances. Sending money to family and friends across borders can be a hassle with traditional banking systems, but USDT simplifies this process. Sending money across borders using USDT can be faster and cheaper than traditional methods. Traditional remittance services often charge high fees and take several days, whereas USDT transactions are almost instantaneous and cost-effective. This is particularly useful for people in countries with weak currencies. USDT also facilitates payments. In regions where local currencies are unstable, USDT provides a reliable alternative for everyday transactions. Some businesses accept USDT as payment for goods and services. This adoption is growing as more merchants recognize the benefits of accepting cryptocurrency. This allows them to tap into the growing cryptocurrency market. By accepting USDT, businesses can attract a new customer base that prefers using digital currencies. Finally, some hold USDT as a stable investment. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, USDT's value remains relatively constant, making it an attractive option for those looking to preserve their wealth. They see it as a way to safeguard their capital from inflation. In times of economic uncertainty, holding USDT can provide a sense of security, protecting one's assets from devaluation. Section 5. The Future of Tether. Predicting the future is tricky, especially in the crypto world where volatility and rapid changes are the norms. However, we can make some educated guesses about USDT's future by examining current trends and potential developments. Its future will likely be tied to regulations, as governments around the world are increasingly focusing on the crypto market. Clearer regulations could either boost or hinder Tether's growth, depending on how they are implemented and enforced. It all depends on how these regulations are structured. Competition is another significant factor that will shape Tether's future. Several other stablecoins are vying for Tether's market share, each offering unique features and benefits to attract users. This competition could lead to innovation and better services for users, as companies strive to outdo each other. Despite the challenges, USDT remains the most popular stablecoin, thanks to its established reputation and widespread use. As long as there's demand for a stable cryptocurrency pegged to the US dollar, USDT will likely continue to play a significant role in the crypto ecosystem. Its ability to maintain stability in a volatile market makes it a preferred choice for many traders and investors. Moreover, as the global financial landscape evolves, Tether could see increased adoption in international trade and digital transactions, further solidifying its position in the market. The future of Tether will also be influenced by advancements in blockchain technology and the growth of the digital economy, which could open up new opportunities and use cases for stablecoins like USDT. Section 6. Wrapping it up, USDT in a nutshell. Let's recap. USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, aiming to offer a haven from crypto's volatility. It has its pros: stability, fast transactions, wide acceptance, and usefulness for arbitrage. It also has cons: transparency concerns, centralized control, and regulatory uncertainty. Despite the criticisms, USDT is widely used for trading, remittances, payments, and as a stable investment. Its future depends heavily on regulations and competition. Section 7. Is USDT right for you? Whether or not to use USDT is a personal decision. It depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a stable way to store value in the crypto world, USDT might be worth considering. However, it's crucial to be aware of the risks before diving in. Do your research, understand how it works, and consider the potential downsides. Only then can you make an informed decision. Section 8. Exploring alternatives to USDT. Remember, USDT isn't the only stablecoin out there. Several alternatives offer similar features, some with potentially greater transparency or decentralization. It's worth exploring these options to see if they might be a better fit for your needs. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare different stablecoins before making your choice. The world of crypto is constantly evolving and new options are emerging all the time. Staying informed is key. Section 9. A final word on Tether. Tether is a fascinating case study in the world of cryptocurrency. It stands out as one of the most widely used stablecoins, designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to a reserve of assets, often the US dollar. It's a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize finance, but it also comes with its fair share of controversy. Critics often point to concerns about transparency and the actual reserves backing Tether. As with any emerging technology, it's essential to approach USDT with a healthy dose of caution and a thirst for knowledge. Understanding the mechanics behind Tether and its role in the broader crypto ecosystem is crucial. By staying informed and weighing the risks and rewards, you can navigate the exciting world of stablecoins and make decisions that align with your financial goals. It's important to diversify and not put all your investments into one basket. And remember, this is just the beginning. The landscape of digital currencies is constantly evolving, with new projects and innovations emerging regularly. The future of Tether and the entire crypto space is still being written. As regulations develop and technology advances, the role of stablecoins like Tether may shift in unexpected ways. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. The journey through the world of cryptocurrency is filled with ups and downs, but for those who stay informed and adaptable, the potential rewards are immense.